Dati, even as a model and as a beauty queen, ito yung napapag-usapan natin na madalas, iba yung dating mo. Nung lumabas si Michelle doon sa swimwear competition ng top 20, marami, hindi lamang po ako, at least sa mga kaibigan natin, ang reaksyon namin, ay, sinapian ni Melanie Marquez. Let's stand, para lang makita nila. How do you do that?
No, because before, when I started the modeling stint, they used to pose like this, bend knees. Instead of you looking taller, you were a little bit shorter,
okay.
which I refused to stand that way. So I started standing straight and nag-strive ako. Yes, self-study.
Pero nang naging beauty queen, nabago ba yan?
Konti.
Paano?
This time, of course, hindi na masyadong high-tech. Lagi kong iniisip, kailangan may corona ako. Elegant ang lakad ko, swabe lang. Konti. Since may balakang ako, hindi ko talaga sinisway.
Pero pag walang balakang, that's when...
sway mo. Kailangan, gumaganon ka talaga. Ganyan.
Oo,
Diba?
para mapansin.
Yes, of course. Para yung shape mo.
Correct.
Nakikita.